I'm going to show you how to throw a Fritz's Adventure Frisbee. First step, grab your Frisbee. Let a person have a turn. Step 3 is that everyone should have a turn. Step 4, throw the Frisbee with one hand. If you are little, you have to do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want to. Step 5, throw it the opposite way that you're throwing it at the person. I don't know more. Now I'm going to show you how to throw a real Frisbee.